Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to do some custom formatting in Tableau. So as you can see on my screen, I'm connected to sample superstore dataset, and I have pulled subcategory and sales in this table. Now what I want to do is, suppose if I want to assign some color on the sales values, such that, for example, if it's more than 100k then green, if it is between 50k and 100k then yellow, and if less than 50k then red, right? So in order to do that, uh, what we need to do, or what stepwise, I will walk you through. So let's start. So the very first step is, uh, here in the mark section, by default it is selected as automatic. Change it to Gantt bars. Okay, so as soon as you select, you will see there these small blue lines will come before the sales values, right? Next, I will create a calculated field. Okay, I have already created it here, so I will just edit it and show you the formula. So here in the formula, if you can see, what I have done is, if sum of sales is greater than 100k then green, if it is less than 100k and greater than equal to 50k then yellow, and if it is less than 50k then red. So this is my color coding formula. So now what I will do, I will just drag this into the color mark and drop it here. And as soon as I do that, you can see that those blue lines, they changed to the color coding as per the formula that we implemented in the calculated field. Right now, so these lines, or these color lines, are very thin, right? It's not covering the whole cell. So for that, what we need to do is, uh, you have to create another calculated field. I have named it as size, and the logic that I have written over here is just min of 1. Okay. And next, in third step, what you need to do is drag this size field in the size mark. And as soon as you do that, you can see uh, this color bar, those small thin lines, they covered the whole cell. Now to there is still some gaps over here. To fill it up, you can just go again to the size mark and increase and basically slide this slider to the max, and then you can see this color coding has been applied. So uh, for this 27,000, you can see it's red because it is less than 50k. All these are green because these are more than 100k, and between 78k, this is between 50k and 100k, so this is yellow. That was our sales color calculated field logic, right? So this is how you can do some custom formatting in Tableau. For any question, please drop me a comment. I will respond back to that. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.